This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Alcira Salazar. Beautiful location just across from Lido Key Beach. This condo is in a small complex on the second floor with elevator access. Completely remodeled in early 2010, new impact glass, blinds installed, and hot water heater installed in 2017. Layout features a large balcony that connects master bedroom, kitchen, and living room, bringing the outside in. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, plenty of storage space, and a utility room with washer and dryer. Comes with 1 assigned parking spot and private storage closet. Walking distance to Lido Beach. Walking distance to Street Armand Circle and only 5 to 10 minutes from downtown Sarasota. No pets allowed per association rules. For more information, review the details below or contact Alcira Salazar at 941-284-7645.